Hey guys, it's Caterpillar143 here. Today I'm going to be doing a model unboxing on two John Deere models I got from my local dealership. So here's my invoice. Sorry if my voice sounds a bit weird, I am sick. So got it from Brandt. So I got two models, John Deere 748H and a John Deere 470G. They are obviously not in a shipping box because I got them from the dealership. So let's open them up here. I guess I'll do the 748H first. So I like the way that John Deere somewhat does their packaging, just like this. But sometimes it can be annoying. But I almost think Ertl's packaging is somewhat better than Norscott's. But just in my opinion. Zip ties, that's different. These are like actual zip ties. I think I got my miniature pair of cutters here. They work good for cutting these ties and stuff like that. This will be my second forestry model. I'm waiting for a Cat 545 grapple skidder to come in pretty soon, but I should be getting that. And then my only other forestry model is a 909K8. It's going to be a little tough. This video might be a little long, longer than I usually do, because my uploading time is just very bad. It just takes a long time for my videos to upload to YouTube. This has got to be the hardest zip tie I've ever had to get off. Okay, done. Now I can get the model out of the packaging. So there it is. It's got some weird tape and stuff around the back here. Just cut that off. Oop, my rocks. A little thing in here I gotta take out of the engine compartment. Looks pretty cool. Good looking model. Nice and shiny. Looks good. So open the. I like that the grapples are actually metal. Opens a good, and then goes in very far. Functions are good. So there's the skidder. Blade works good. So let's move this off to the side for now. So here's the, I'll just move that off to the side. So now we're going to do the John Deere 470G. It's back. See how hard this one is to open. Just open the box here. Almost got it. Okay, there we go. This one's got different ties. This one's got like the paper ties compared to the actual zip ties. Almost, it's being tough for some reason. I don't know why it doesn't want to come out. Oh, I see, it's got tape on it. I think I got my knife here. Okay, now it should be a lot better now that I cut that tape. Cut the tape on this side. Okay, there we go. Almost got it. Pretty close. Okay. The box got a little messed up, but that's okay. So, there it is. Now I'll just easily cut these paper ties now. Way easier than the zip ties. Okay, it's got them all here. Okay, now the model should pull out of its packaging. Maybe not. I think they want me to remove this tape. Now it should move. There we go. Okay, so there's the model. Surprisingly pretty good looking. Just the colors of it are nice. Looks good. Looks as nice as the 450. Pretty good. Looks like a good looking model. Let's take these ties off here, and that's about it. Functions are, oh, it's really stiff. That's good. All the functions are stiff on it. So stick goes out pretty good. I heard it doesn't go too far, but that's okay. It looks good. So there's 470. The really stiff functions on it, and then I'll grab the skidder. So as you can see there's the two models that I got. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Sorry it was kind of long, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Comment, rate, and subscribe.